Hello, my name is Tanu Kim, and I was responsible for creating the baby polar bear in our team. In our story, the baby polar bear is walking with his mother to find food. However, due to the global warming, the glacier melts and the pest disappears, leaving the baby polar bear confused and frightened. Two color sensors were installed on the back legs to detect differences in light intensity. Based on this difference, the steering system adjusts the direction, allowing the bear to follow a line. An 8-2 gear driving shift and a 24-2 gear pinion shift were used to control the upper body movement. By rotating for a set amount of time, the mechanism allows the upper body to lift and lower. This upper body movement helps express the cuteness of the polar bear and also creates a swimming motion. For the front legs, a linkage mechanism was used to convert the motor's rotational motion into linear motion. This allows the leg to move straight forward and backward, making the walking motion on the glacier more realistic and dynamic. The gear reduction system in the body motor and the linkage mechanism in the front legs made the performance more lively and expressive. At first, we planned to design the baby polar bear as a simple vehicle that follows a line. However, we realized that this would make the movement too simple. It would not clearly show the characteristics of a polar bear. So we discussed idea with our team members and decided to improve the design. We added moving arms using a linkage mechanism to express a swimming motion. This allowed us to create movements that tells a story rather than just simple movements. The most challenging part was lifting the upper body. We tested several gear ratios, but when the lifting speed was too slow, it disrupted the flow of the performance. Therefore, we selected a 3:1 gear reduction ratio to shorten the movement time while maintaining stability. Finally, we designed the legs to touch the ground while running, but to lift slightly off the ground when the upper body rises during movement. This made the motion more natural and increased the overall completeness of the performance. Through these functions, the baby polar bear became more than just a moving machine. It became a character that expresses emotions and tells a story, making the performance more creative, innovative, and immersive. Thank you.